Okay, in front of me is ALCATEL 1T10 Smart 2020, and today I would like to show you how you can rename it. Begin by opening Devices Settings and scrolling all the way down. Then tap on About Tablet. Now select device name at the top and type in wherever you wish to. I will go with Sunny. When you finished, just hit OK in the pop-up and then OK in the other one about visibility. So when I do that, as you can see, name of my tablet has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!